Hello YouTube family, here I am RD Rathod, Community Health Officer. Welcome you all in the Made Info Hub channel. Today we are going to discuss about the clinical signs of nails. Commonly we look at the nails of every patient mainly to look for a pallor. When we notice a pale white color of the nails, it clearly indicates that the anemia and koilonychia. Another important sign you may see in anemic nails is the koilonychia or the concave nails or spoon-shaped nails. This is the characteristics of iron deficiency anemia. In addition to administering iron in the form of injections and oral, and we should also try to find out the cause of iron deficiency. The commonest cause, especially among the farmers, is hookworm infestations, and in the female is a monorrhagia. What is monorrhagia? Monorrhagia means a heavy or prolonged menstrual bleeding. In the early stages or in the mild case of the nail may be just a flat with loss of convexity, and the convexity of the nails will be a regain after the iron deficiency has been corrected. And cyanosis, and what next thing we see in the nails of the patient is that cyanosis. Here we see a cyanotic nails with the bluish discolorations, which is due to a presence of reduced hemoglobin in the capillary of blood. In the central cyanosis, the tongue and the mucous membrane are cyanosed, while in the peripheral cyanosis only limbs and nails are cyanosed. And the next is the clubbing. Clubbing of nails occurs due to vasodilation and soft tissue swelling of the fingers tip and the nails bed. Okay, and the clubbing usually indicate the chronic suppurative lungs disease like bronchiectasis, lung abscess, bronchogenic carcinoma, or cyanotic congenital heart disease. In early stages, the angle of nail bed with respect to a phalanges increase and become flat. In the normal finger, the angle is about 160 degree in the nail and the skin of the phalanges, whereas in the clubbing finger, nail and the finger form a straight line, and there is excessive curvatures of a nail giving a parrot beak-like appearance. Note the excessive convexity of the nails in all the directions. And the last stage, there is the bulb swelling of the fingers and giving a drumstick appearance in the advanced clubbing. Now the next condition of the nails is the mycotic nails. What is mycotic nail? Mycotic infection of the nails are very common, especially in the housewife whose hands are constantly in the water. Milder infections may be treated with the griseofulvin. What? Listen carefully. Griseofulvin for 2 to 3 months and the local antifungal ointment. But badly affected and deformed nails suggest they have to be removed surgically, and then the nail bed treated with antifungal ointment like a clotrimazole. Nail with mildly affected, it can be treated with the medical treatment, but once nail is black and deformed, it has to be removed. So I hope you like this video. If you think it is useful, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and press the bell icon to get new video notification. Thank you for watching.